Honorable Wadesa, I greet you. Boss, I greet you. I greet you once again. Sir, I want to tell you something or I want to ask you something. Like now, if they should say that you should call many of your staff, people that you can send to do things, they will go and do it. People that is loyal to you. I know, first of all, will be the first person you will call. There was never a time you asked us to do anything we did not want to do for you. We'll deliver you anytime you want us to deliver. We'll deliver. I can flash back to remember the crisis that you have in Ukboko between you and us. So the first person that you called was me. I have to move with me and my boys. That is when I have an injury. In the palace, they have an injury. Your people planted something in my leg or food. They wanted to cut my leg. Yes, I know you tried then. By giving me money, go to hospital to do this one. And I know how much you have spent for me. Now, just that I traveled to a Turkey to go and look for something good to do that I cannot continue, that the money that you're paying us 30,000, 40,000 is nothing. The first thing, immediately I travel to Turkey, the first thing you do, you block my salary. I started with you 2009, me and Udoka and other peoples. We are four in number following you to 2010 till now. We do not benefit anything from you. Now Bishop is not happy. Udok is not happy. Peter is not happy. And Godfrey is not happy. Peter and Godfrey was the two people that came last between me and Udok and Bishop. None of them is happy. You promised us that you're going to give us money to start up a business. The first time you called us in your house, Austin was there. DSS guy will be our witness. And Mohammed, you called us. You said, now, Sheriff, your man, came to your house. When Sheriff come to your house, then we reported you to Sheriff that you don't want to help us since 2009 when we following you. Till date, we know nobody among us will say that yes, we benefit something from you. Now, after everything, you call us in your dining. We sit together in your small parlor there. You ask Bishop, what do you want to do? Bishop opened his mind. He told you. You ask everybody. You ask me. I said, I want to go to abroad. I want to go to abroad. I want to go to school. The next thing you said, okay, no problem that we have said all. Then when my paper, I should start processing my paper. I told you, I said, sir, the paper you were asking me to send to do this one or do this one. Then when immediately the visa come and the visa will start counting. When my visa is out, I'm hearing people who run the visa for me because there was no statement. I don't have a money that I can use to build my statement of account to travel. Now, you asked me the first time I should not travel to the place I want to. That was when I had a visa to travel to North America. You said I should do another visa. I do another visa again to Turkey. The visa came out. You said I should not go to anywhere. That you are about to help us. You are about to help us. You are about to. I said, okay, I want to go. Immediately, I requested money from you. You did not give me money. My father sold a land about 4 acres of land for me to travel to Turkey. Bolu was aware. Bolu was the one who bring a buyer to my father for my father to sell a land for me. Because your people have told me to kill me because after the crisis of Obi Ugboko, so your own brother, we know what we did. We don't need to say anything. Even if they see your brother or appear them, they run. When the crisis was much, they run. We mobilize our men. We fight for the war and the battle for you. We do not benefit anything from you till today. Now again, we know many things that we did for you, of which is between we and you. You have never one day said us. Even the land of Anichubo that you went to be buying land from Anichubo, they were deceiving you by then. I'm the one who you sent to go and call Umolo, Agba youth, when you now settle with Agba youth. After the settlement of Agba youth, you gave them 1 million naira. You settle with them. I beg Agba youth, you push, you stop disturbing us inside bush. You said, okay, thank you, my boy. You have tried. We continue helping you. Even when you went for election, we know what happened. We have in a battle between a crazy bone. Them started with you, with me. Then I came before them. Crazy bone, them all of them they run, they leave you, they followed Nwaboshi. We still continue with you. Nwaboshi have settled all of them, from Mickey, Bishop, and look at them and everybody. They have settled there. One abortion. Crazy Bone is using a big car. Crazy Bone is married. Crazy Bone have a good house. All those ones is from one abortion. We following you since 2009. What did we benefit from you? You call a lawyer from somewhere, be writing against people, writing against doing this one, doing this one. You'll be giving lawyers billions of naira, but people working with you are suffering. Now again, you went to arrest now in the rumor and everything, the news, not the rumor, the news is in everywhere in Turkey. That I will be going out, they will be pointing me, look at those boys that went to destroy your book after everything around them to talk that they will kill me, they will kill themselves, that because it's not me that they will say they will kill, that they will kill me in Turkey because of you. What did I benefit from you? The last time Azuka Jebosa called me, the first time I entered Turkey, Azuka Jebosa called me. I told Azuka Jebosa called me. You said no, I should not listen to him. Oh, thank you very much. I know my reply. I replied to Azuka Jebosa. I told you was happy. Now we are working for you. Did we benefit anything from you? Or till we will go to Guardian or we will go to Punch to publish your name that you use us and don't post. That means it's true that what people are saying is true. People always tell us that you use us and don't post, and now it's true. The car that we are using now, is it okay that we are using a car following you? Sometimes the car will break down on the road. We'll ask you of money, you will not give us. We'll use our money to contribute money to go and do it. You will be at the airport going back. You will give us money, 200,000, 300,000. We'll go and share it. Everybody will go home now. The wife will put hand. We'll spend the money for the family. We'll start waiting till you come again. You'll be paying 30,000, you'll be paying 40,000. Is that one the money? And after everything, I travel to Turkey. You block me for my salary. Somebody who volunteered to follow you since 2009 till now, I did not benefit anything from me, and Udoka especially did not benefit anything. Udoka, Eke, Eze, Asia, me being with Udoka since 2009, did we benefit anything from you? When you did not have big money, when you have not started raining, we are there with you. Did we benefit anything? The only first person that came to that compound with me was Mohammed and Ibro. I came to your compound before everybody. I can remember when you asked us one day with all Gary and to direct us inside your bush before this university, we should go and destroy one house. That they went and reported in Okija. Well, me and the Doka and some of our squad, we went there and around midnight, we destroyed the whole house, we bring the house to soil to the level. We did not tell anybody. We always work for you. I don't want to mention many things that you have sent us to do. We'll do it. In the crisis of this Ugboko issue, we know many things that happened. Even before they kill the Kogiga or this Kogiga, where the boy come from, we know what happened. They destroyed. Even when they arrested, they kidnapped. We know how many people from Ugboko that we deal with. We know how many people that we destroy. Even when they carry on, so we know how far. We are the ones who mount guard before they went to pick him. Or God, did we do anything bad to you? Or till we go and kill us Nonso before you will help us? What we did to Nonso is better than if Nonso was crying that night, kill me instead of me suffering this. We did everything because of you. Did we benefit anything from you? Another thing again, you went to arrest, I want to tell you, sir, because if I cannot tell you this again, nobody will tell you. Because other people are afraid of telling you all these things. Nobody will tell you. But none of your staff, Udoka is not happy with you, Bishop is not happy with you, Peter is not happy with you, Godfrey is not happy with you. 5 of us and 4 of us following you, nobody is happy with you because you did not help us. The help you are going to help is this small money you are paying us. You said you are paying salary. Now one person is out. You block me. Renoy cannot do it. This thing you are doing, Renoy, some of Renoy staff travel to abroad. Renoy is still paying them salary. Means that I travel, that you are not happy that I travel, that you don't want me to go and still look for my own money. Even your own money, you do not make your money in Nigeria, you make your money in abroad, in overseas. Now, another problem again, you went to arrest What did do to you? If you can arrest is it the community? If you're facing also your own brother, that is between you and also, because it's your brother. You arresting the children and in YouTube crying every day, going to channel by channel, even in Turkey here. Me, I cannot come outside and say, let me come outside because of your matter. People are after me, that they will kill me. We are the people that destroyed from Uboko. After destroying, they were run down to Turkey. Everybody was thinking that you're the one that sent me to Turkey. You are not the one who sent me to Turkey. My father sell 4 acres of land. Bolu Okuchi, your man, your boy, Bolu Okuchi, asked him very well. Bolu was the one who brought a buyer For my father to issue a 4 acres of land when my life is in danger that I have to travel, you did not participate. Since 2019 now, me and Udoka Ike, we are just like your shooter bomber squad. Then you can say, go and do this, we'll do this. Midnight, we went to destroy that on the Chugboman land from inside your place. From that place, so many people, I'm not a talkative. Oh. I know I'm telling you all these things. Even when my brother, I'm from Onichugbo, Ngozi died inside your swimming pool, I back you up. In midnight, you send us, we go back there. We know what we did. Of which is not everything we'll be talking. I was among the squad who went to carry the boy. Oh God, Oga, if you cannot remember that we have tried for you, the reason, the way we'll work with you, nobody will work with you that way. Those ones that you feel that your staff, nobody like you as a staff there, because everybody working with you are suffering. For you to even block me from salary, nobody is happy with you again. Udoka, them are not happy with you. Sometimes you will come, they always come so that let it not be as if they don't want to come. Remember things we did. Your people appear them, you call and your brothers now. They run now. When the crisis was more, they move now. We mobilized, we and Ike them from Kwele now. We went and destroy Ike the CSO now, CSO from Kwele group now. We went to destroy Uboko. We shot Uboko down. There was a time they said that kidnappers has been Uboko. We made sure we use a bullet and finish everywhere. We shot everywhere down. Even when they went to destroy Kemi shop, we still moved there. We will destroy every day. Even that Kemi did not benefit anything from you. Nobody benefited anything from you as your staff. You have the money that you can call each your staff. Say to everybody, everybody will have a claim and following you. We follow you to everywhere. We follow you as a security. We are moving. Oga, people where they make us speak grammar. People where who the Oga life na the security. We they follow you with a good mind. Fight more about a battle. We do many things. More about move and settle all these boys. Now we are suffering. If we go to any local government or go to anywhere to apply for job, they say go and meet Ned. They cannot give us now because we fight against them. They cannot issue us job. So I want to ask you, sir, did we benefit anything from you apart from you blocking my salary? Is it good? Can they do it to you? When you don't have money, we are there working with you. Then one day that things will be okay. Now that things has become okay, you don't want to settle anybody. Is it good? You'll be giving lawyers money by arresting people, putting people in the prison. Lawyer will be talking rubbish. That lawyer that is talking rubbish now, what is the name? So I will remember the name. The lawyer that is talking rubbish that you gave money to be there, he was there. AC then will come out the channel, they will be talking anything. One of those things AC them are saying, AC Chukuma, your brother is saying in channel, the interview, you go to Abuja, you do this. He was there. We are the people that have the data. You think it's to go and point somebody, they will come and karaoke to go and lock cocaine itself. I want to tell you, okay, did not do anything. No. We have every data. We have the whole data. We witness everything. You sent us to everything. Anything we are doing in Uboko, we are the one. And which even now that you asked that we Oga, you should remember. We tried for you during time of your nose. So even my head wanted to enter it when I have a problem with my leg. Oga, I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk much. But remember, we have tried for you. But the only thing I'm telling you, go and release okay. Because if you do not release okay, there will not be peace there. Oh. Release okay, so that you people will know how to go and settle this matter. This should be a village matter, not government issue. Not government matter. Release okay. Among all these things we are doing, having a crisis in Uboko, okay did not appear. Forget what people are saying. In your back, you see them. We go to your back and be saying, okay, did not do anything. No. You ask them to carry okay, to take okay to Abuja to go. If I should tell you what is happening, people are saying concern this okay. Very soon the truth will come out too. Because people that you feel, Chukuma, your brother, and the Messiah, that you feel that they are working, even when they want to carry okay, everything has been already been reviewed. Release this man so that there will be peace. So that by tomorrow they will not say that some of your staffs are writing against you. Because me, I've traveled to Turkey, you did not help me. My father sold a land. I'm working with a big man. My father sold a land. I traveled to Turkey. Now everybody's laughing at me. I've told people, I don't want to talk. Oh, you are not the one who sent me to abroad. Oh, my father sold a land. My father sold a land to travel me to Turkey, but I'm working with a billionaire. Oga, it's unfair. You did not try for anywhere. Udoka, Big Show, Udoka, Peter, Godfrey, me, nobody is happy with you. Since 2010, you did not help us. The only thing you can be telling us, go and destroy this, go and do this, go and do this. Even Uboko crisis wanted to take our head to take our enemy head that you cannot take our head. Say now they won't benefit anything from me. But the only thing, the last thing I'm going to tell you, sir, to end up this thing, go and release okay. Okay did not do anything to you. And now, sir, I still want to tell you again. Like for example, now if anything to happen to okay in the prison, maybe God forbid, but okay died in the prison there that you're keeping okay. What do you think it will happen next? Because Chukuma, the resident that you think they are working with you, they are not working with you. Everything how they pointed okay, how they carried okay, everything has reviewed. You understand? That is why I'm know why I'm telling you all these things. Because me, I'm not planning an evil against you. Because you are my boss, you are my boss. But what I'm trying to tell you, remember that you did not help me apart from my salary that you block. So what I'm trying to tell you, release this young man. Allow peace to reign in the land of Ugboko. Picking people, arresting people can never bring a peace. Can you imagine the children crying in a channel that you arrested their father? Okay? Even appeared, what these ones you're saying, we are the people who knows about everything. We work for you. We went to destroy. When we entered Uboko, we were with enough bullets. We shot Uboko down. We destroyed many. Sir, we have tried for you. The man in Onichubo that built inside your land that you said is your land. We know how me and Udoka with Oga that we went inside midnight with OK. OK was the only person that I used. Okay, was the one at the gate. We entered your combat, go to the inside the land from Onichubo. The man has built the house to linter. Me and the dog and some of us will bring the house down to the soil level. Did we benefit anything for you? You said you were a big man, a big man. Did you help any of your staff? You think your staff, everybody are happy with you? Nobody is happy with you. You go and give a what is this a lawyer? What do they call this lawyer? No worry, I will remember. You'll be giving lawyers money, fighting. Writing against your people. You think that is the best way to settle case? This is not government issue. Release okay so that you people will go to your own place and settle. But our guy, we're still giving you time to settle us because we are tried for you since from 2019 now. We are waiting for you. Forget about blocking salary. You can even block everybody's salary, no problem. But you must settle us because we have tried for you. It's not easy. Do you know many things that you ask us to do that we do it in the name of that we are working with you? Up till now, we not benefit anything for you. Is it only to send us to go and destroy? Do you know many things that we destroy? If not because of the call that we received that night that they came to pick Nonso. We could have shot Nonso, your brother, dead up till now. You are telling us that you will help us, you will help us. Oga, you must help us. So forget all this one that we are saying. I'll say my mind, and that is all. But the most important thing, you must release okay. Because the reason why I said you should release okay, the way they arrest okay, the way they mount guy, the way we do everything has been reviewed. You understand? Because if you feel that you're working with AC them, your brothers, they don't have secret. Everything has already been reviewed. So release okay, so that they will know how to sort this issue. That's the only thing I will tell you. Bye for now. I'm still waiting to hear from you.